Most people know Garrett Morgan as the traffic light guy, but they don't understand the scale of what he actually did, or how deeply it connects to the stop sign theory, sovereignty, and authorship. Garrett Morgan didn't just invent a traffic signal, he authored a behavioral system that saved millions of lives and was adopted across the entire world. That is the part they never teach. Here's the real story. Morgan was a black inventor in the early 1900s, born to formerly enslaved parents. In 1922, after witnessing a horrific collision at a Cleveland intersection, he designed a new kind of traffic signal, something the world had never seen before: a three-position system with stop, go, and a crucial pause in between. That middle position, the pause, is the innovation that changed the entire world. Before Morgan, signals flipped instantly from stop to go. Drivers and pedestrians had no warning. Accidents were constant. Lives were lost daily. Morgan observed the pattern, authored a solution, and filed U.S. Patent 1,400,075 for a traffic signal that introduced a time delay. The same pause we use today in every modern light: red, pause, green. The United States adopted his system, then Canada, then Britain, then countries across Europe, and eventually the entire world, standardizing the traffic signals based on a black man's authored design. His idea became municipal policy, then citywide infrastructure, then transportation law, then international traffic standards, then a global daily behavioral system followed by billions people, exactly like Harold Jackson's stop sign. But here is what the system hides. Morgan authored a governance system, not a gadget, a regulatory behavior pattern. His system was monetized, replicated, and standardized globally without attribution. A black man's intellectual property quietly became global law. His contribution sits in every intersection on Earth, uncredited. Both Jackson and Morgan show that ideas, authored systems, are the backbone of civilization. They become infrastructure, they become law, they become standardized global behavior, and then the system erases the author so people forget authorship is power. Garrett Morgan also invented the safety hood, the earliest gas mask, which saved workers' lives during fires, tunnel collapses, and chemical accidents. Another global infrastructure system built off of his authored design. Again, author, form, adoption, standardization, global permanence. This is what the world teaches people to ignore, that two black men designed the global logic of traffic safety, and the world adopted their thought work while erasing their names. When you understand Garrett Morgan, you understand that every system we live inside was authored. And once you see that, you stop underestimating your own authored systems, because you realize they followed the exact same pattern of global impact.